Welcome to the water softener tutorial from Oceanic Saunas. To install the machine, use standard washing machine hoses. The first hose from the mains goes to the top valve. The water runs down through the softener and out of the bottom valve, which then runs to the steam generator. Out of the other sides of the valves are the drains. The longer drain wants to go to the bottom valve, which then goes into a washing machine trap. The top one, which is shorter, should just drop into a bucket. To regenerate the softener, you need 1 kilogram of granulated salt. I've used a jug to measure how much 1 kilogram is, so you can see it's around 700 millilitres. The normal operating mode for the softener is to have both valves in the left position. This way the water is running into the top valve, through the softener and out through the bottom valve. To regenerate the softener, you need to depressurize the tank. Do this by turning both valves to the right position. You can now unscrew the lid and then pour in the 1 kilogram of salt in the top. Now turn the top valve to the left position, which will turn on the mains water and flush the softener out. The water will be running out through the bottom drain, which you want to be doing for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Now turn the bottom valve to the left position, which will turn the water onto the generator. The regeneration is now complete. Inside the softener are resin balls. When the water runs through the resin balls, there is an ion exchange taking place. The polarity between the resin balls and the calcium magnesium make it so that they grab onto each other, so that the calcium and magnesium stays inside the tank. When you regenerate the softener, you are replacing the magnesium calcium with the salt, so you're actually washing the magnesium calcium down the drain. In the water softener manual, it indicates how many litres of water it can do for the level of hardness that's in your area. You can use the internet to find the hardness of the water in your area just using a postcode search. We recommend that you install a water meter so you can accurately measure how many litres of water you're using, so that you actually regenerate the softener at the correct time.